What is the difference between the effective date and the issue date? When it comes to car insurance, understanding the terms can make a big difference in your coverage. Two important dates to know are the issue date and the effective date. Let's break them down in a straightforward way. The issue date is when your insurance company creates and issues your policy contract. This is the day your paperwork is finalized and sent to you. However, just because the policy is issued does not mean your coverage has started. For example, if you apply for car insurance on May 1st and the insurer processes your policy on that same day, May 1st is the issue date. Now let's talk about the effective date. This is the exact date when your insurance coverage actually begins and becomes active. From this date forward, your insurer is legally obligated to cover you according to the terms of the policy. The effective date could be the same day as the issue date, but it is often set for a future date. For instance, if you want your coverage to start on May 15th, that would be your effective date. This is common if you want your insurance to kick in when you buy or register your car or when your previous policy expires. It is important to note that you are not covered for any claims that happen before the effective date, even if your policy was issued earlier. Your premium payments typically start from the effective date, since that is when your coverage begins. Knowing the difference between these two dates is essential. The effective date is the most important date to remember because it defines when your protection under the policy is in force. The issue date is more administrative, indicating when the insurer prepared your contract. In summary, the issue date is simply when your insurance policy is created, while the effective date is when your car insurance coverage actually starts. Understanding this distinction helps you know exactly when your insurance protection is active and when you can make claims. So, always keep an eye on these dates to ensure you are fully covered.